Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to customize your phone and for this kind of look. So just go to the Google Play Store from your phone and look for Angle Launcher 2019, and you just have to install it. It is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for this app. Uh, so as you can see, it looks cool. It's not your typical homepage when you buy a smartphone. So if you want to make your phone a little bit cooler, I guess you can definitely download this app, and it's absolutely free in App Store. Just give this launcher permission to stay as your default launcher, otherwise you're gonna go back on your old home screen. So just open it and allow the Angle Launcher to be your home page. So just you have to click always, and when you try to go back, it's not gonna go back on your old setup. And now you can enjoy this launcher as much as you want, and here are some different colors that you can choose from. It will give you weather information and everything, the time. You can play music from the application. All the iPhone lovers, I have to say, you will not have this kind of customization on iOS devices. As you can see, Apple is restricted their home page, so you can't do this kind of setup or customization on any iOS devices on your Apple products. So unfortunately, it is only available for Android devices, and it's available in Play Store. This is one more application similar to Angle Launcher. So if you want to apply this one, it's same like Unique Launcher, but a little bit different. So you just have to look for application called Unique Launcher in the App Store, and you can just open it and apply as the Angle Launcher. So if you like this video, please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, guys.